This assignment is P2WORK, and I'm going through steps 2 to 3. The instructions start on page 35 of your text. You should also have the Excel file P2WORK open and saved to your computer as P2WORK3. The objectives of this problem are to practice inputting adjusting journal entries, carrying across balances in a worksheet, and finally preparing financial statements from adjusted balances of a worksheet. I will show you how to input some of the adjusting journal entries and the formulas. Adjusting journal entry A is to record supplies expense for the year. The question tells us that year-end supplies amount to $450. So I would input formula equals B14 minus 450 into cell E28. Then reference this as A. Next, I have to make sure my debits and credits balance. So I need to credit the same supplies expense amount to store supplies. Journal entry B is debit insurance expense and credit prepaid insurance for $2,420. Journal entry C is to record depreciation expense for the year. Work on adjusting journal entries D and E by yourself. Adjusting journal entry F is a little tricky since we have to show both beginning and ending inventory on the income statement. We directly input the ending inventory amount of $68,864 into the credit column of the income statement and debit column of the balance sheet. Do not input anything for F in the adjustments. So now you should have all the adjusting journal entries completed. Input formulas 1 to 4. For formula 1, input a sum of the whole column. And then do the same for formulas 2 to 4. Now I want to show you the if-then statement that has been preset in this file. You don't have to use this function yet, but I want you to be aware of it. We will learn more about it in another assignment. Go to cell H10. The if-then statement is a function which checks whether a condition is met, returns one value if true, and another value if the condition is false. The condition is represented by the first equation after the open parentheses. In this case, it's B10 minus C10 plus E10 minus G10 is greater than 0. That really is the total of all the trial balance and adjustments, debits, and credits for cash. If that is greater than 0, then Excel returns that value in cell H10. If the total is smaller than 0, then it will return 0 in cell H10. The reason why we do this is that we automate the process of checking for debit and credit balances in each of these accounts. The if statement is also very useful in depreciation and employee bonus worksheets. Next, you need to input formulas for columns J to M.